African Blackwood enters the workshop under strict certification control. Each log is dense, heavy, and unforgiving. This wood does not bend. It does not warn before it cracks. Forklifts move slowly, gripping the material with vibration-dampened clamps. The logs never touch bare concrete. From the first second, stress is the enemy, and control is everything. Every log is weighed individually. Certification ID, species code, density class, and moisture readings are recorded. African Blackwood varies subtly, and those differences matter. Logs outside the acceptable density range are removed from the precision line. Nothing unverified moves forward. Under angled industrial lighting, inspection begins. High-resolution cameras search for hairline cracks invisible to the naked eye. Internal stress patterns are mapped across the log. Some pieces are strong enough for instrument parts. Others are downgraded before damage can occur. This step prevents silent failure later.
There it is. The core structure is failing. It's brittle.
Dust, mineral residue, and surface contaminants are removed. The logs are then mounted into multi-point stabilization fixtures. African Blackwood is brittle under vibration. Even minor oscillation during cutting can destroy a piece. Stability is engineered before the blade ever touches the wood. Logs enter the bandsaw at extremely low feed rates. Cuts are short. Pressure is constant. Heat buildup is closely monitored. Large slabs are avoided. Instead, the wood is reduced into compact billets designed for maximum stability. Speed has no value here. Precision does. Each billet is scanned in 3 dimensions. Grain direction, density variation, and internal tension zones are analyzed. Software calculates the safest orientation for every future cut. The goal is simple: no twisting, no cracking, no surprises. Human judgment steps aside. Data takes control. Billets move into secondary sawing. Ultra-sharp blades form small, highly accurate blanks. Dimensional tolerance is held within fractions of a millimeter. African Blackwood reveals its signature surface here. Deep black, tightly grained, almost stone-like. Every pass is deliberate, every cut is final. Edges are trimmed to remove curvature. Geometry is locked, square, parallel, and stress balanced. Ends are sealed immediately to prevent rapid moisture loss. For this material, an unsealed end can crack without warning. No risks remain unmanaged. The blanks enter climate-controlled drying chambers. Temperature rises gradually. Humidity drops in measured phases. Drying African Blackwood too quickly destroys it. Too slowly, an instability remains. This stage defines success or failure. drying, the wood rests. Moisture equalizes between core and surface. Internal stress releases naturally over time. Nothing moves forward until equilibrium is reached. Patience replaces pressure. The blanks enter the planer mill. 2 to 4 faces are calibrated with extreme care. Burn marks, edge chipping, and thermal shock are avoided entirely. Final dimensions are refined to near final tolerances. The surface is now ready for precision shaping. Blanks are arranged and compared. Density consistency is verified. Grain orientation is matched. Only the most uniform pieces qualify for acoustic or mechanical precision parts. African Blackwood rewards consistency and punishes compromise. Each piece undergoes final inspection. Flatness, dimensional stability, and long-term behavior are evaluated. Any deviation removes the piece from the precision category. Standards do not soften at the end of the process. Approved blanks are cleaned. No coatings are applied. No finishes are added. These parts are delivered raw, ready for CNC machining, turning, or instrument assembly. Material perfection is the end point here. Finished blanks are stacked by batch and density class. Protective wrapping shields them from vibration and humidity changes. Labels ensure full traceability from certified log to final part. Everything is documented. Everything is controlled.
We need to verify the count on this shipment before it moves to assembly.
Already scanned the first pallet, John. Everything matches the manifest.
From certified intake to final stacking, control never breaks. African Blackwood demands discipline. It rewards precision. This workshop does not rush the material. It listens to it, and works within its limits.